Assalamu alaikum, I'm Manar from Morocco and you're watching Moroccistani Reactions. In today's video I react to FTD facts video, 10 surprising facts about the Pakistan Air Force. So आइए देखते हैं, let's start the video. 1, 2, 3.
The Pakistani Air Force has stood the test of time, and over the years it's become one of the most feared air forces in the world, and it's sometimes even referred to as the backbone of the country's defense. My name is Leroy Kenton and welcome back to another episode of FTD Facts. Now in this episode I'm going to be sharing with you 10 facts about the Pakistan Air Force. So you ready? Let's go. The Pakistan Air Force is abbreviated as PAF, and it's the 7th largest air force, as well as it's the largest of all the Muslim countries. The Pakistan Air Force has two main roles. Now the first role is to provide aerial defense for Pakistan, and the second is to provide air logistics support for the Pakistan Army. According to Global Firepower, Pakistan is ranked 7th in the world in terms of air power, right? So let's take a look to see how their air power actually breaks down. The Pakistani Air Force has total aircraft strength of 1,342. It has 348 fighter aircraft, 438 attack aircraft, 51 transport aircraft, and their training aircraft total 499. The helicopter strength is 322, and their attack helicopter strength is 55. The Air Force's motto is a symbol of pride for the nation, and honestly it's no surprise that that would be the motto. Some of the proudest people I have ever met who are proud of their country have to be Pakistanis. It's clear that they love their country and they love the achievements of their country, and having one of the largest air forces and most powerful air forces in the world is definitely something to be proud of. So that leads me to ask you guys a question. What are some things that you're proud of about your country? Let me know down below in the comment section. Now one interesting fact is that there's actually a Pakistan Air Force museum located in Karachi, Pakistan. So this museum has almost all of the fighter jets and ammunition that's been used in the Pakistan's Air Force since its inception. Now it was established in the year 1990, and the museum has started with very humble beginnings, and initially it was established in disused hangars in a remote part of the base. But later the museum expanded significantly, and today it has almost all of the aircraft that were used by Pakistan, as well as several other attractions. Also, Air Force Day is celebrated in Pakistan, and it's a national holiday on the 7th of September. This happens every year right after the Defense Day, and that is celebrated on the 6th of September. On that day you'll see air shows, Air Force exhibitions, award ceremonies, speeches, and a whole lot more. This day is to actually celebrate the Pakistan Air Force's role in defending the country during the 1965 Indo-Pakistani War. The air headquarters of Pakistan, or the AHQ, it's located in Islamabad, Pakistan. Now in 1983 the construction of the air headquarters was started at Islamabad after it was decided to have all of the armed forces headquarters in the capital city. Now the headquarters had moved several times throughout history. The first air headquarters was established in Peshawar, Pakistan, and it then moved to Karachi a year later. Then in 1960 it again moved to Peshawar. While they were constructing the headquarters in Islamabad, the Pakistan Air Force base in Chaklala served as its headquarters. Then finally, after traveling all around the map pretty much, in 2005 the headquarters was moved to Islamabad, where it still remains today. Next thing I want to talk about is the Pakistan Aeronautical Complex. Now this is a complex that comprises of 4 factories which are spread over an area of 10 square kilometers. It was founded in the year 1971 by the Pakistan Air Force, and the complex is located in Kamra Atak district. The PAC, what it does, it designs, it develops, and builds aircraft and avionics systems for military use, and it also provides its services for civilian aircraft as well. The PAC also manufactures military systems for the Pakistani Army and Navy, and they often work jointly with Turkey and China. Its aircraft have been exported to countries like Nigeria, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates. Meet Pakistan's first female fighter pilot. Her name is Ayesha Farouk. Flight Lieutenant Ayesha Farouk became a fighter pilot in the year 2013 when she was 26 years old. Now, since then, more and more women like Ayesha Farouk have joined Pakistan's defense forces, but sources say that she is the only war-ready female fighter pilot in Pakistan. So let's take a look at some of the prominent active manned aircraft that Pakistan has. So based on the latest sources, these are the combat aircraft that they have. They have the Mirage 5, the Mirage 3, the Chengdu J7, JF-17 Thunder, as well as the F-16 Fighting Falcon. For the trainer aircraft, the Cessna T-37, the Hongdu JL-8, Shenyang J6, Shenyang J5, the F-16 Fighting Falcon, and the PAC MFI-17 Mushak. For the helicopters, they have the Aerospatial Alouette 3 and the Augusta Westland AW139, and also the Milme 17. So if you were interested in joining, how do you become a part of the Air Force in the first place? So it's not a simple task, so let me just break it down for you. Let's take a look at the general criteria for applying as a pilot. So your nationality, of course, must be Pakistani. You gotta be unmarried. You gotta be at least 5'3", and that goes for both male and female. Now, in terms of the training, so there's 4 years of training that's required at the Pakistan Air Force Academy, Rasulpur, and a Bachelor of Science in Aviation Science and Management from the Air University, Islamabad. In terms of specific qualifications, an FSC with 60% marks in aggregate in any one of the following disciplines: pre-engineering, pre-medical, computer science, and A-level in physics, math, and English. Once they get through the whole selection process, the candidates that are selected will have to go through the general headquarters of the Pakistani Air Force, and then when you complete your training, you'll be approved to fly. Alright guys, so those were some facts about the Pakistani Air Force. As you can see, there's great reason for the nation to be proud. Now, there's so many more facts that I could share, but I only did 10 in this episode, so maybe I'll do a part 2 sometime, we'll see.
काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो थी पाकिस्तानी एयर फोर्स के बारे में, जो कि सेकंड लार्जेस्ट एयर फोर्स है इन द वर्ल्ड एंड मुस्लिम वर्ल्ड में फर्स्ट लार्जेस्ट एयर फोर्स। उसके अलावा आयशा फारूकी के बारे में जो है पहली दफ़ा जानने को मिला इस वीडियो के ज़रिए। PAF म्यूज़ियम जो कि कराची में है, अभी तक जो है मुझे मौका नहीं मिला उसको विज़िट करने का, इंशाल्लाह ताला नेक्स्ट टाइम ज़रूर विज़िट करूँगी। उसके अलावा जो है उन्होंने बताया है सिलेक्शन का प्रोसेस कैसे होता है, PAF में कैसे सेलेक्ट किया जा सकता है, अगर आपको ज्वाइन करना है तो सिलेक्शन का प्रोसेस कैसे होता है, तफसील में समझा दिया है। सो ये काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो थी PAF के बारे में, पाकिस्तान एयर फोर्स जो कि पाकिस्तान का फ़ख्र है, द प्राइड ऑफ पाकिस्तान। सो ये काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो थी। आई होप कि आज सबको पसंद आई होगी। मिलते हैं इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा। फ़ी अमानिल्लाह।